So I know some people gonna see this video, and the first thing they gonna do is they gonna want to throw out the praying hand emojis and all that. Don't throw me no praying hand emojis. Don't feel sorry for me, man. Throw me 100, because we keeping it moving. You know what I mean? Like, because I only have one leg, 1 foot, or however you want to put it, amputee below the knee. That's not a disadvantage. That's my advantage. It's like, as they say, that's my superpower. As long as I allow myself to see it that way. And I see it that way because I have to keep moving. It's always forward motion regardless, no matter what. I still have dreams, I still have goals that I need to accomplish, that I want to accomplish. I have things that I want to see come to fruition, and if I stop and feel sorry for myself, none of this will ever happen for me. So again, don't pray for me, man. Slay for me, you feel me? I don't even know what slay means, but do that. You feel me? I'm just being funny, I'm being stupid, but seriously though, man, send me 100, man. Drop me a 100 emoji on every time you see me on this thing, man. You know, because that's what we're going to do. We're going to keep it 100. We're going to keep going. We're going to keep striving for better. We're going to keep striving for more. If you follow me, you've seen me at my worst, and you have yet to see me at my best, man. I'm on my bounce back. You know what, man? We're going to keep it moving. Like I say, man, drop me a 100 emoji if you feeling me, man. If you see your future is brightened, drop a 100 emoji on this video. Don't show me no praying hands, man. Don't feel sorry for me, because I can't feel sorry for myself. You know? And what we doing here is, it's that new design, man. Beware, I got one good bounce, you know? Like Tigger, man. You know, people laugh at me and be tripping because I find light in it. If I don't find light, man, I'm gonna find all darkness. And we ain't got time to be living in the dark. Period. So, shout out to everybody, man, that been following the movement, that been watching the movement, that been wanting to see me win. Shout out to everybody that's dropping that 100. Drop that 100. Drop that 100 emoji down there. We don't need no crying hands and none of that, because I ain't gonna cry for me. I ain't about to be sad for myself. So y'all use this video as motivation to get going, to keep forward, to achieve them goals, accomplish them dreams. Because it's all I'm trying to do.